trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Please also head on over to our Instagram page, that is TXT Track Time, and give us a follow there as well. The link will be in our description. Alright, so trackies, it's the month of celebration, November. Yay! You don't know how I feel about November. It's my time of the year for sure. But trackies, I'm not the only one that is in the mood to celebrate or has a reason to celebrate. Guess what? Today is the one and only Elaine Thompson-Herah. I should I say Dr. Elaine Thompson-Herah, since the other story coming up in this video also will, show tribute to another up-and-coming doctor. But yeah, Dr. Elaine Thompson-Herah, trackies, is celebrating her anniversary today, her 4th anniversary with her husband, derronherah. Now, trackies, of course, Elaine Thompson-Herah is our very own double Olympic champion, double gold in 2016, 100 meters and 200 meters, and to come again in 2021 and win the same gold medals again, 100 and 200 meters as well. But to top things off, a little cherry on it, trackies, in 2021, she did go ahead and walk away with that 4x1 gold as well. Back in 2016, she got a silver at that time. So yes, trackies, our double Olympic champion is in the mood, trackies, and she's definitely celebrating her anniversary with her husband. And trackies, I have to say, they always look cute together. Now, she took to her Instagram and she said, it's our 4th anniversary. Then she put a little note, trackies, we didn't plan our outfits. And trackies, let me tell you something, they look really good. Well, I'm going to put the pictures up for y'all to see, but both of them look really good together. And I have to say, they always look good together. No, when she said we didn't really plan outfits, trackies, you know what that tells me, trackies? Trackies, when you have that connection with someone, after a while, everything just becomes so effortless. It's like you're all in sync, trackies, and you do things together effortlessly, and you're like, huh, how did this even happen? So clearly her dressing with her husband, as she said, she didn't plan it, but again, it has become so effortless because time and time again, trackies, they step out and they always look fresh to death. So trackies, no doubt this time around, she was like, okay, this is what I'm wearing, and he's like, okay, this is what I'm wearing, and it came together seamlessly, trackies. Both of them, of course, looking really cute. So congratulations to Elaine Thompson-Herah and derronherah for celebrating their 4th anniversary, trackies, and I wish them many more. Well, it's just the 4th one, so it's really just the beginning. So of course, I'm wishing them many more moons together, trackies, and I hope that, of course, this is one relationship that remains intact until, as their vows say, till death do them part. All right, so trackies, moving on to the next story that I want to cover in this video. And of course, as I did say, trackies, it's another doctor. Now, we talked about, of course, Elaine Thompson-Herah being Dr. Elaine Thompson-Herah. Well, guess what, trackies? We have another athlete, another phenomenal female athlete that will become a doctor in another couple weeks. And trackies, who am I talking about? None other than Shericka Jackson. I'm telling you, she has had a phenomenal 2023 season. Actually, it started from 2022. And coming to think of it, trackies, building on 2021 into 2022, phenomenal. Then, of course, 2023 was just fantastic. I'm talking about trackies not only, retaining her 200-meter gold medal that she won last season, but of course solidifying herself as one of the greatest ever in that 200-meter distance, having 3 of the fastest times ever posted, trackies, and now she's all the way down to 21.41 seconds, trackies, just shy of that world record, trackies. Shericka Jackson has had a phenomenal 2023, and of course she capped off that 200-meter gold, of course, with a 100-meter silver medal as well, trackies, at the World Championships, finishing slightly behind the winner Sha'Carri Richardson. So of course, Shericka Jackson, trackies, for all her phenomenal achievements, Shericka Jackson is being recognized, and the University of Technology will confer an honorary degree on Shericka Jackson, and this will come up on November the 17th, trackies, and the degree that UTech will be conferring on Shericka Jackson is the Doctor of Laws honorary degree. Now, they did go on to say that Shericka Jackson, who competes in the 100 meters, 200 meters, and 400 meters, let's not forget that. So yes, everything is being recognized, Jackie. She's phenomenal all the way around. She's definitely one of those athletes that you could say is, complete. But anyway, track is. So, Shericka Jackson, who competes in the 100 meters, 200 meters, and 400 meters, is being recognized as one of Jamaica's most acclaimed sprinters after becoming the fastest woman alive and second fastest woman of all time in the 200 meters in 2022. So, track is, even though I'm saying Shericka Jackson's season, 2023 season, was phenomenal, she has been doing great things, and this has been happening from before 2023, and clearly they have recognized all of her achievements from 2022 and are conferring her this honorary degree, honorary doctor degree, Tracky's Doctor of Laws degrees from 2022. So, of course, I'm excited for Shericka Jackson. She joins a long, long list, Trackies, of athletes that would have been conferred with this honorary degree. Now, when we go back, we can look at the likes of Shelly-Ann Price back in 2016. She was conferred with an honorary degree, Doctor of Laws as well. And Elaine Herah, Trackies, she was also conferred with an honorary degree, Doctor of Laws, back in 2021. And let's not forget, Trackies, because I'm going off the top of my head with the athletes that I remember getting these doctorates, Trackies, because to be honest, we don't really call them doctors, but still, Usain Bolt is also one that received the honorary Doctor of Laws, Trackies. However, he did receive his from the University of the West Indies, while Shericka, Elaine, and Shelly-Ann Price will all or have all received theirs from the University of Technology. So yes, Trackies, those are the ones, as I said, I can remember off the top of my head, because you know how we Jamaicans stay, we brought bad. So even though when we see them, we should be saying Dr. Elaine Herah, Dr. Shelly-Ann Price, Dr. Usain Bolt. Yeah, but Trackies, we don't. Right? So yeah, I tend to forget who has what, but still, it's a great honor for Shericka Jackson to be receiving, this type of recognition. And it just goes to show, Trackies, that hard work indeed pays off. And of course, she deserves every bit of recognition that she's getting for all her phenomenal achievements, as I have noted. Alright, so Trackies, your turn now. Sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. Today's Elaine Herah's 4th anniversary. Wish her all the best in the comment section. And of course, Shericka Jackson joining the long list of athletes that we have to refer to as doctor when we see them, Trackies, on the streets. Now, this is fun. But anyway, track is sound off in the comment section and let me know your thoughts as it relates to Shericka Jackson being recognized to such a high degree. Like the video, of course, Trackies, and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.